Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmills for home gyms that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Suzier Folding Treadmill. If you're looking for a no-frills, budget-friendly option for light cardio workouts, this might be the treadmill for you. It features a 1.5 HP motor with a top speed of 7.45 miles per hour, making it ideal for walking and light jogging. With 12 preset workout programs, you can add some variety to your exercise routine. And the LED display provides essential metrics like speed, time, distance, and calories burned. In terms of design, the Suzier treadmill is compact and foldable, which makes it perfect for small spaces. It's equipped with 2 wheels for easy portability and has a solid steel frame that supports up to 220 pounds. However, the running area is relatively narrow at 43.25 inches by 15.75, which may feel restrictive to taller users or those with a longer stride. The inclusion of 2 cup holders and a phone holder is a nice touch for added convenience. While the Suzier Folding Treadmill is a decent option for beginners or casual users, it does have its limitations. The lower weight capacity and smaller running surface may not be suitable for advanced runners or those looking for more intense workouts. Additionally, the lack of incline options limits its versatility. That said, for the price and simplicity, it's a great fit for someone just starting their fitness journey. Pros: budget-friendly, compact design, easy portability. Cons: limited features, small running area, lower weight capacity. Coming in at number 4, the Funray Versatile Walking Pad Treadmill offers a unique combination of fitness and relaxation. This dual-sided treadmill doubles as a foot massager, providing a soothing experience after a long day. Its innovative flip design supports walking, jogging, and even dog running modes, making it a versatile option for the entire family. With a 2.5 HP motor and a weight capacity of 330 pounds, it delivers reliable performance while remaining compact and space-saving. The Funray treadmill stands out with its advanced multi-point shock absorption system, which protects your joints during workouts. The anti-slip running belt and double-layered thickened frame add to its stability and durability. It also features dual control options, a remote control, and on-machine buttons for added convenience. The adjustable tray on the armrest is perfect for holding devices like smartphones, allowing you to enjoy entertainment while exercising. However, the Funray treadmill is best suited for light to moderate workouts, as its maximum speed tops out at 6.2 mph. The manual incline feature adds some variability, but it's not as robust as the automatic incline options found in higher-end models. Overall, this treadmill is a fantastic choice for multitaskers, families, or anyone seeking a blend of fitness and relaxation. Pros: dual-use design, compact, joint-friendly shock absorption. Cons: limited speed, manual incline. At number 3, we have the 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill from Racebase. This treadmill is perfect for users who want a compact yet powerful machine for a variety of workouts. The standout feature here is the 8% manual incline, which helps you burn up to 150% more calories compared to flat surface treadmills. Powered by a 3.5 HP motor, it supports speeds of up to 6 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 330 pounds, making it ideal for walking, jogging, or light running. The design is highly portable and space-saving, with a folding mechanism that reduces its height to just 4.48 inches. The 6-layer non-slip running belt and multi-shock absorption system provide a smooth and joint-friendly workout experience. The LED display and FitShow app integration allow you to track your metrics and even simulate outdoor running for a more engaging workout. While the Racebase treadmill offers excellent value for its price, it does have some drawbacks. The running surface is narrower than some competitors, which might not be ideal for taller users. Additionally, The manual incline adjustment can be inconvenient for those who frequently change intensity levels. Nevertheless, its versatility, portability, and powerful motor make it a great choice for small spaces. Pros: compact design, 8% incline for calorie burn, app integration. Cons: narrow running surface, manual incline adjustment. Our runner-up is the well-fit treadmill for home. This heavy-duty treadmill features a 4.0 horsepower motor, allowing speeds from 1.0 to 10.0 miles per hour and supporting up to 450 pounds. It offers a spacious 45 by 20-inch running area, making it a comfortable option for users of all sizes. With 12 preset programs and a 2-level manual incline, you can customize your workouts to meet your fitness goals. The well-fit treadmill comes with a user-friendly console, Bluetooth connectivity, and a smart app for tracking your progress. The LED display provides real-time feedback on speed, distance, calories burned, and even heart rate, thanks to the built-in pulse sensors on the handrails. The 5-layer non-slip running belt and 8 shock absorbers ensure a safe and comfortable workout experience, even for those with joint issues. While the well-fit treadmill is an excellent option for most users, the manual incline adjustment might be a limitation for those seeking more dynamic intensity changes. Additionally, its larger size may not be ideal for smaller spaces. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a powerful and reliable treadmill for consistent use. Pros: high weight capacity, spacious running area, Bluetooth connectivity. Cons: manual incline, large footprint. Taking the top spot is the well-fit auto incline treadmill, a powerhouse of performance and versatility. With a 4.5 horsepower motor, it supports speeds up to 10 miles per hour and an impressive weight capacity of 500 pounds, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. The 12% auto incline feature is a game changer, allowing for seamless intensity adjustments to maximize calorie burn and muscle engagement. This treadmill boasts a spacious 55-inch by 20-inch running surface, running area providing ample room for comfortable strides. The 5-layer non-slip running belt and 8 shock absorbers protect your joints, while the LED display and Bluetooth connectivity enhance your workout experience. You can track key metrics like speed, distance, calories, and heart rate, and even sync with a smart app for personalized training plans. The well-fit auto incline treadmill is designed for serious fitness enthusiasts who want a feature-rich, heavy-duty machine. While its larger size might be a drawback for smaller spaces, its robust build quality and advanced features make it worth the investment. Pros: high weight capacity, auto incline, spacious running area. Cons: large footprint, higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.